Hey girlies, your girl is back.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch.
I'm getting ready to go to the movies with my cousin. We're actually about to go see Smile. As you can see, the face is beat, so all we have to do is hair, and I do have this wig from OMGHerHair. This unit right here is a YAKI unit. I have been into YAKI units, I'm not even gonna lie. I just feel like they look super natural. It's going to be a super simple, easy install. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the deets about it. So this is basically how the hair comes in this little bag right here. A 22-inch natural color, 150 density YAKI straight unit. The knots are bleached on this unit, and that's why I chose to install this one right now. It says she's 22 inches, but she looks like she's a little bit longer than 22 inches, and I'm always here for that. I have been into like middle part, so we are going to keep a middle part with this unit. And like I mentioned, the knots are bleached. Comb, edge brush, and they do have like some extra like jaw straps that you can put on your wig if it's not fitting as snug as you would like it. And you also have this flyway tamer. Y'all probably don't know, but these are actually really, really good. It's giving pre-plucked, you guys. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's already given pre-plucked. So this is gonna be so easy to install. So if this is your type of wig, definitely check in the description box below. You know how many times I have heard that people don't know how to put on a wig? And I just be like, how you don't know? A wig cap is so important when you're popping on a wig because, you know, hold on. Do you guys see this? You guys seen it. I did not touch it. I didn't touch it. This looks so good. But look at this part with the wig cap, and I still have to adjust it. I am so proud of OMGHerHair. Like, they have came a long way. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, this is one of the companies that I really did have to like bleach my knots. But honey, they said before the new year, we're about to do something a little different. My comments be like, girl, I don't got the time. Like, I don't got the patience. I don't got this, I don't got that. So if it makes it easier for you to find like a company that does it for you, you're gonna be like, okay, it's worth the coin. But I'm not just talking about the hairline. Like, I'm talking about how flat she is. Perfect. And we need to make sure it's centered with this snatched nose job that I did on myself today. Get into the makeup. Y'all know the girl is coming through with a makeup tutorial really soon, so don't even trip. So right now I'm just plucking. I don't know where I left off talking to you guys. So I'm just gonna spray my hairline. Usually I spray the inside of the wig and my hairline, but since it's already on, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this.
For lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like,
as you can see, I went ahead and blew the hair out also, and so doing this to YAKI hair is going to give it that blown out feel, like you went to a salon to actually get your hair, you know, blown out by the pros. I recommend you doing that with any YAKI hair texture, you guys, because you just want it to look as natural as possible. The hairline is perfect up here mainly. On the sides it's good too, but I'm gonna focus on removing the lace on the sides and then actually going back in and relaying those areas. So let's go ahead and get started. That's basically what I did right here, but I did go in with the elastic band. I didn't show you guys that part because I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording. So right now I'm just removing the lace with you guys in voiceover style. The rest of the video is going to be in voiceover because I just wanted to give you guys the deets and give you guys the tea. So look at this lace, you guys. Do you see this lace? Amazing. Like, when I say hands down, this has to be the best wig that I've installed so far in 2022. And this is thanks to their new technique that they have improved on their wigs. This is their super fine HD lace. And this also is a clean bleached hairline. So it's going to look as realistic as you see. And I'm so here for the quality of it. Shout out to OMGHerHair. They definitely did their big one with this one, and I was really, really in love. And I was so happy to be able to share this video with you guys. So what I'm doing after removing the lace is just taking an exfoliating pad again, and I'm just going to remove all of that extra hairspray, and I will be touching the edges of the lace with a little bit of olive oil spray just to give that gloss effect. And then of course I got to go back in and make sure everything is laying and, you know, all the lace is away so this can look super snatched and flawless. Like, get into it. Get into it. I was so excited. Like, I'm like, look, girl, I got to show you all the difference. So I'm still removing it with the alcohol, and sometimes alcohol can make it really, really dry. So if you can add a little bit of water with the alcohol, it'll just chef's kiss. Get into the new flat iron. Do you guys see that new thing? She is fresh, okay? I was excited to pull this out and use it on a fresh new wig. I used it on my real hair, but I went bigger. I broke my other one because I wanted to be cute and try to press my hair sitting on the floor, and then one night I totally forgot to pick it up and I stepped on it and broke it. So yeah, had to get a new one, but I was so excited about this one because it's bigger and it makes my life so much easier. As you can see, I'm already done straightening this hair. Like, voila, magic. So nice. I really like that flat iron. I will link it in the description box below if you guys are interested. It's just a bigger version of my last one. I don't know the exact measurements, so yeah. But get into this. Get into the silkiana of it all. Like, she's giving body yaddy yaddy thickness, but not overbearing. Really good quality hair, you guys, and I really love a YAKI moment. So to elevate this a little bit more, I wanted to do baby hairs with you guys, and it was just a quick little, you know, tweeze of the baby hairs, a little curl under with my tiny Baby Bliss flat iron, and then I swooped them with hairspray. They were a little stubborn to swoop, so I kind of like cut off all of that part of the video because it was just too much of a struggle for me for some reason. But this is basically how they look. The real star of the show, low-key, is that part. That part is centered, honey, and it's just giving. And all that is that flesh tone wig cap that I, you know, made sure I popped on. But get into it. I love how everything came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, love you. Bye, y'all. Me, but you're not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue.